Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can connect PayPal to your Wix website. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I am right now on Wix.com, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. In the center of your screen, as you can see guys, you can find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now, just go to the site you want to edit, hover your mouse over it and click on select and edit site. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to your dashboard. So once here in the dashboard, just go to the left side of your screen. And then here, you're going to find all of these sections. Right here, you're going to find setup, home, getting paid, sales, catalog, and so on. So right now, in order to connect PayPal, go to Getting Paid, give it a click, and then here you're going to find Connect and Setup, Pay Links, Invoices, Price Quotes, Proposals, and lastly, POS Checkout. So go ahead and click on Connect and Setup, and then here you're going to find Start Accepting Payments. So if you want to connect payment method, just click on Connect here, and then right here you need to choose how to receive payments from customers for your business based in your region. So first of all, choose your region. And then once you choose your region, right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find PayPal. So right here, click on connect. And then once you do that, you're going to be taken to this page. So once here, just add your contact information and make sure you connect to your PayPal account. And then you're going to be able to link your PayPal with your Wix store. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.